AI video just took a major leap, and Black women creators, this is your moment. Midjourney dropped its first AI video tool. CapCut now lets you create full videos straight from text, directly on desktop. These tools aren't free, but they're powerful, and they're cutting production time from hours to minutes. If you've been building content from scratch, telling stories on a shoestring and dreaming bigger, this is your upgrade. This is creative freedom. This is control. This is the shift we've been waiting for. Let me show you exactly how to use it. So the latest update in Midjourney is that now we can create videos straight from Midjourney. So introducing their V1 video model. So it's really exciting because it means that we can begin to reduce the workflow. So for many of us, we create images in Midjourney, then we go on to Kling AI or Hello AI, and now we can animate straight into Midjourney. But before we get excited, you got to know that the quality is quite low. And so the resolution is not high. So you probably won't be using this to create any of your filmmaking or animations. But however, it really is fun to begin to practice with it. And it's their first version. So I am sure that they are going to very much soon upgrade and do more, but it does mean it will be more money. So that's just reality, isn't it? Once you start adding video, it is going to make more money. So what we're going to do is we can begin to animate this. So created this image in Midjourney. Start frame black. Go walking through the market store. Browsing at the food. Let's see what happens. Let's see what that gives you. And when you press it in, we'll see. Because I did one video here. I created this. They produced 4. I did that a couple of days ago just to play around with it. I said, look at Midjourney now. And maybe for social media, it's fine, actually. The quality is not going to be too bad for social. I think it's if you want it to be more cinematic. Yeah, it's not there yet, but I would not even be surprised if in 6 months' time, Midjourney can be competing with Kling and Lulu. Would not be surprised. And you can actually add other pictures you create in other places. So let's see what it comes up with. So that one, she just bends and looks. So what she's doing there. Then this one is she goes and she's just walking and just turns. That one, she goes and she looks at the fruit or the vegetables. And then this one, I think she actually picked up something, right? And she looks at it. Yes, she picked up a potato. Okay, so it tried. And who knows if they add lip sync into this as well. This would just be crazy. If they did that, let's go to the explore page and look at the videos that people are creating. Look at that. Look at the videos people are creating. I like that. Oh, it's too funny. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I like this one. I'd love to create something like that, actually. So yeah, if you've got a Midjourney account, and they said that this is for every account, be it every account type, so you don't have to have a higher account for this. But yeah, this is it. This is just a quick update just to show you that you can literally animate right here on Midjourney. Isn't that exciting? Look at some of these images. I could literally just animate them so quickly. I don't have to download it, take them to Kling AI. But if you really want to tell a story, if you are trying to tell a story, it's not there yet. Midjourney will still produce your images and you will take it over to video generation platforms like Kling, like Runway, to really animate your characters and your scenes and your stories. But I think this is a good start. I didn't see this coming, right? And I think that as they begin to do this, get feedback, iterate, that they probably will create something really dynamic and will be a really massive contender to the popular video generation platforms. If Midjourney can get the video right, all the other platforms are smoked. They are finished and they are smoked. Another quick update from CapCut. CapCut has released its own AI video generation and also image generation. You can also do it directly in the CapCut desktop, whether you've got a Windows PC or you have a Mac. So I wanted to show you how you can go about doing that. It's really straightforward. So you go to, when you press new project, you go to AI media, and then this is where you can generate an image, and you can, let's see if I can just say a young black girl. I'm not going to use a reference image. A young black girl sitting on a chair. Let's see what it produces. And it generates right on the timeline, which is quite interesting. And it gives you 4 different options. So we're going to see how that does, and then we are going to animate the video. And I think you can even lip sync it as well. So we're going to do everything directly from there. So I didn't actually say if I wanted it to be a photorealistic option or if I wanted it to be 3D, but it produces something. It gives me 4 different options. I think I like this because this just seems the most realistic. So I think I am going to choose this one. Okay, so if we wanted to turn it to image to video, we select it, double click it, or right click it as they say, and image to video. But you could also download it as well if you wanted to. So we want to turn this image to a video. Gonna use the Seaweed V1 Pro model, make it 5 seconds at 16:9. Young black girl sitting on a bench, smiling and laughing and waving her hands. Should we do that? Let's see. So we shall see what happens there. So we'll do that, and then we'll also lip sync it, and then yeah, that's how you do it. And then I'll let you know some of the disadvantages and the cons as well. They tried, right? They tried. But the point is that you can animate from there. So should we try and lip sync it so we can see how it works? We'll go into video. We can also enhance as well. So you can also enhance the quality of the video. A basic application, you can be on CapCut and you can essentially create an image, animate the image, and lip sync all within the desktop application. Okay, so this is the video. As we've seen, it's been enhanced, looks a bit better, and then we can lip sync it. So for some reason it couldn't generate. I have generated it before, so I'll show you an example of generating it, but this is an example of it generating.
I am an AI generated video in CapCut. Do you want to know how I was made? I am an AI generated video in CapCut. Do you want to know how I was made?
So yeah, this is just an example of how it would be. This one was 11 laps. As most opportunities when you are lip syncing, they give you an option to generate native within the platform, or of course upload externally, whether it's your voice or whether it is your voice or whether it's internal. I am not happy with CapCut. You will see it AI generated. So this even occurred to me when I used their image generation tool online, and I was essentially trying to create pictures, and every time I downloaded it, it had AI generated, and I had to go into the Discord to find out that basically it's a permanent thing. We can't take it off. So then the issue really is that what's the point of generating? I don't think I will use this, because why would you AI generated? What can I do? It becomes redundant. So it's a great thing that they've done this, but I'm not really sure if it's useful. So I refuse to even go through that process, because I'm paying for this. So it should not give me this AI generated. So those are the updates. If you learned anything from this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell notification to never miss an upload.